keep my company, I would appreciate it. Yes. And thank you for joining. Thank you everyone for joining, showing some love. You know, I appreciate it. I don't come live on this channel too often, which I should. Yes. But thank you for coming on. I appreciate it. But I almost finished. So I have to move this stool. I'm still not tasting the pepper. There it is. I'm still not tasting the pepper that much. But this pot almost finished cooking. I'll add a little bit more. Now taste the pepper at all. Taste the pepper. No pepper at all. Not taste no pepper. No pepper? Why am I not tasting the pepper? Right. This chili I don't even make a sense, because I don't taste it either. I'm not tasting the chili. I'm not taste the scotchy. Anyway, this pot is finished. So my pot is now finished. Almost an hour cooking. And it's done. I don't smell nothing on it. Just drop that piece there in it too. So it's almost 1 hour cooking, and I am going to go now, so I can give my children their dinner. So guys, thank you for joining, and we will see each other again. I appreciate it so much.